The world's largest cryptocurrency is in a multi-year low for price swings. Going forward, market participants are looking towards something called the halving, also holding on to hope that that Bitcoin ETF I mentioned will bring in a wider investor audience.
The mainstream media is refusing to talk about these 7 altcoins.
Blockchain is a new good thing that's come up, like fairy dust.
Not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, not Litecoin. Huge progress is happening in crypto. Altcoins have a big future. In this video, I'm going to enlighten you. If you're interested in making money in crypto, subscribe to our channel. We post a video on crypto every day. Coin number 1. We're going to go with HEX, but you could probably include Pulse in this too. Basically, any Richard Heart coin. Richard Heart coins are notorious in the crypto space for different reasons, one of the biggest being Richard Heart holds the vast majority of the supply. HEX makes our list today for 2 reasons. 1, it's close to 99% down from its all-time highs. Many people who were able to sell have already sold. And 2, the highest of stakes documentary on Richard Heart is premiering in many theaters throughout the country in the next couple weeks.
What do you want people to know about you?
I got a big dick. This here is $3.1 million of watches. I own the world's biggest diamond. You don't. I do.
Who is Richard Heart? Genius.
Legendary.
Arrogant. Bit of a narcissist.
The benevolent king.
$250,000. Hate me, hate me.
You know that this is going to cause a buzz and probably turn new people onto HEX and Pulse for better or worse. So what do you think about this theory? What do you think about HEX? Let me know in the comments.